Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss this POTD question, rotate and delete. And what it says, given an array integers, do the following operation until a single element is left. For example, every kth operation, okay, write and rotate the vector clockwise by 1. Delete the n minus k plus 1th element from the last and return the left element. Okay, so what we need to do in this question, suppose we have this array that is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. What we need to do, first we need to rotate the array by 1, so we need to shift that 6 to the first position and shift all the elements to the right side. So this array will become 6 1 2 3 4 5. And what it says, we need to delete the n minus k plus 1th element from the last. Okay, so what we need to delete, like we are on the first operation that is equal to k equal to 1 as of now. So k equal to 1, we need to remove the last element from the right side. So we will remove the 5 and this is our rest array that is equal to 6 1 2 3 4. And what we need to do further, we will perform k equal to second operation. We will shift 4 towards left, that is 4 6 1 2 3. Now we are on our k equal to second operation, so we will delete element second from the last. So we will delete that second element from the last, and what we have in the left array, we will have 3 1 4 6. Now we will perform k equal to third operation. We need to shift the last element towards leftmost side, so that array will become 4 3 4 6 1. And which element we need to remove? K equal to 3, so we need to remove that 4. Now we are on our k equal to fourth element, that array size is less than k, so what we need to delete the first element from the array. So we will remove this one and our array will be 3 and 6. Now we are on k equal to 5 and our array is 3 and 6. So what we will do, it will shift, 6 will shift to the leftmost side and the array will become 6 and 3, and so it is greater than the size of array, so we will remove the first element from the array. So we will remove 3 and the last element we got, that is equal to 3. It will be on the position of array of 0. I hope this intuition is clear to you. So what we need to do, let's suppose we have that array, we just need to shift that last element towards first and we will remove k equal to nth element from the left. And if our k is greater than size of current array, then what we need to do, we will remove the first element. And try to solve this question. So we have this array. Firstly, we will declare that size of array and k to take its counter, int n equal to array dot size and int k equal to 1. Okay, so till when we need to run that loop. So we will create one while loop and it will run till so n is greater than 1. So what we will do, we will insert that last element in the first position. So array dot insert, first we wrote that position where we need to insert begin, comma, which element we need to insert, array dot back. Okay, got it? And then what we will do, we will remove that last element from the array dot pop back. And now we will check if k is greater than n, that means we need to remove that first element. Array dot erase, array dot begin. And if it is not, then we will add in the else statement to remove the kth element from the array. Array dot nth minus kth element from the backside. So we need to do that thing, array dot end minus k. Okay, and now what we need to do, we will update that array size with the current array and will increment that operation value, and in the last we will return array of 0. Firstly, we initiate two variable n and k with array dot size and k is equal to 1, and we added that while loop, and it will run till our array size is greater than 1, in simple words. So array dot insert, array dot begin, comma array dot back. We are inserting array dot begin position. Which element we need? We are inserting array dot back. Okay, then what we are doing? We are popping the last element from the array, and if k is greater than n, first element. Okay, makes sense. And in the else statement, we are writing array dot erase, array dot end minus k when our k is lesser than the array current array size, and we are updating that size of array, and we also incrementing that operation count. And when we are outside from that while loop, we are returning that first element, that left element. Okay, we will try to compile and run this solution. If it is work fine, we will try to do the summation. Yeah, it is working fine, and now we are trying to submit this question. Okay, and now I want to discuss its time complexity with you guys. So we are here, and if we are talking about in our array to erase element and to add element, insert element, these two operations take O of n time complexity. Okay, so we are performing this operation inside our while loop, O of n operation. So our while loop is also taking that O of n operation, and inside this operation we are performing O of n. So that overall time complexity for this solution will be O of n square. And as you can see in with the question, we have a constraint. We need to solve this question with a time complexity of O of n square, that is expected time complexity. So we are good to go with the solution, and if you have any doubt, you can put it in a comment box. I am happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video.